With the support of the Australian government, Skills for Inclusive Growth presents
Floods are caused due to many factors such as heavy rainfalls, severe winds over water, unusually high tides, tsunamis, or failure of dams, levees, retention ponds, or any other structure that retains water. When floods strike due to torrential rains or other disasters, it can be a devastating time for those who are caught in the water's path. Flooding can cause immense property damage as well as serious dangers to life itself.
දිවයිනට ඇති වූ අධික වර්ෂාව හේතුවෙන් බොහෝ ප්‍රදේශවලට ගම්වතුර තර්ජනයක් එල්ල වී තිබෙනවා.
ගංවතුර තත්ත්වය මං හිතන එන්නෙන් බරපතල වෙනවා. අපි precautionary measures වලට යමු. මං හිතන ඒක තමයි වඩාත් සුදුසු දේ.
If you observe or if you are advised by the authorities that a flood is imminent, the following procedures should be followed. Let's now have a look at the role and the responsibilities of the front office team when a flood warning is issued. Advise guests of the situation by phone and have housekeeping inform guests room by room. Reallocate guests to the upper floors if occupied rooms are in danger of inundation. Remove front office equipment and documentation to upper floors if in danger of inundation. Check the communication system and begin contacting each department to obtain the damage status. Let's now look at the role of the front office manager when a flood warning is issued. Answer guests' questions. Limit the length of calls and keep telephone lines open for emergencies. Let's now look at the role and the responsibilities of the housekeeping department when a flood warning is issued. Remove the bed sheets, towels, guest supplies and etc. to the upper floors or to the highest part of a single-story building. Maintain public areas signage. Stock enough towels, linen and drinking water for all guests sufficient for a minimum period of 48 hours. Coordinate with F&B to provide drinking water and food to all guests and staff. Provide flashlights and batteries to guests. Ensure public areas and other departments have access to torches and batteries. When coordinating with the front office, identify the disabled guests and ensure they're informed and given assistance as needed. Let's now look at the role and the responsibilities of the F&B and kitchen when a flood warning is issued. Stock enough supplies, especially drinking water and canned food, for a minimum of 48 hours. Move furniture out of the inundation zone if possible.